This is THEO'S kitchen. Welcome on board. Today we're gonna prepare Hausa Koko. It's breakfast for everybody, adults or kids. Now we have to first put water on fire. Make sure the water boils. After boiling, you take some of the water out and put it somewhere. In case it becomes too thick, then you add the hot water to it. Then you mix some of the flour in a small bowl. Then you put the water off from the fire, and then you start pouring the mixture into the water. Then you keep stirring. You stir until everything is done, and then if you think it's too thick, you add more hot water to it. Not a cold water, but rather hot water. And it shouldn't be on the fire. It should be off the fire before you can do the mixture. That's pretty much about it. See that the color is so superb and it looks so delicious. You can tell Hausa Koko is nicely made, and we're going to serve it with nice bread. Thanks for watching, and remember, be fruitful and multiply. Okay, love you. Bye.